The planet loves cycles and recycles, but to tackle the environmental crisis, we need big changes from the big polluters. Polluters such an industry responsible for over a third of all the waste produced in the EU, yet somehow we've still been waiting for the last 10 years for some concrete climate solutions. You didn't get the pun, right? You'll get it later.
Construction is one of the most climate-wrecking industries. It is behind half of all the extracted materials in the EU, and cement alone is 7% of global emissions.
Luckily, the EU is updating its construction products regulations, an important law that has the unique opportunity to make the construction industry more sustainable.
The current law says that if you sell construction products in the EU, you follow EU standards. However, these standards have been developed in a biased process largely represented by the industry. Naturally, no environmental standards have been developed in the last decade, because why push for change if you are in charge of the rules? This means some of the most climate-wrecking products in Europe, well, they just continue to be climate-wrecking.
To avoid leaving the standardization process solely to the industry and having a real, transparent policy discussion, green NGOs are proposing some solution.
Firstly, products should be designed with climate in mind, targeting big polluters like cement first.
Just like we've done for other products with the Eco-Design for Sustainable Products Regulations, the SPR. Secondly, information about construction products should be disclosed based on the Environmental Products Declarations, the APDs.
How can we build better and have better buildings if data are not available for the materials?
And finally, mandatory green public procurement should be implemented.
Since the public sector is a big buyer in the market, it should buy responsibly and support more innovative solutions to decarbonize this impactful sector.
All these elements can now become a reality in the revised law. EU and national lawmakers, this is no longer a drill. You have now all the tools needed to decarbonize one of Europe's heavy industry today. Let's make sure this law revision is constructive and brings to some concrete results. I bet you got the joke now.